How to fix PlayStation download stuck. First of all, try pausing and resuming the download itself. You simply have to press the PS button on your controller to open the quick menu. Then select the downloads and uploads icon and then highlight the stock game or update file and press X. Now you simply have to select pause. And wait 5 to 10 seconds and select resume. Now proceed to refresh the network with a connection test. You have to navigate to settings on your PlayStation, then go to network and check the connection status. You will find the test internet connection. Go ahead and tap on it and make sure that your Wi-Fi or your network is stable. Once you ensure this, you simply have to hard reboot and power cycle your hardware. Turn off the PlayStation completely, unplug the internet route, and also turn your controller on. Now, finally, once you wait for 60 seconds, you simply have to turn on your console back and check the download progress. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.